Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to compress PDF file in Salesforce Apex using PDF.co. So this is a step-by-step guide that you can use alongside our video tutorial. You can copy the source code files here that we are going to use in our Apex classes. So to begin, let's create 3 remote sites. So go to remote site settings and click on new remote site. Our remote sites will look like this. So the first one is PDF API with this remote site URL. The second one is PDF Compress with this remote site URL, and be sure to put a check mark on disable protocol security. The third site is PDF file with this remote site URL. You can get all these 3 remote site URLs in this tutorial. So once we're done with the remote sites, click on the gear icon on the upper right and click on Developer Console. This will take you to the Developer Console page. Next thing that we're going to do is create 2 Apex classes. So click on File, New, Apex Class. Let's name our first Apex class Compress PDF Document. And let's copy the code. Next, let's create another Apex class and call this Compress PDF Document Test. And copy the code. Now let's go back to Compress PDF Document. And let's add our PDF.co API key here. You can get your API key in your PDF.co dashboard. So click on View Your API Key and click on Copy to Clipboard. And paste your API key here. Now for the file name, we're going to use the sample.pdf. This requires that your file is already uploaded in Files in Salesforce. So here's our sample.pdf. To go to Files, click on the App Launcher and type Files. So once your file is already uploaded, go back to our code here and then add your destination file. We'll call it result.pdf. So once that's done, click on Debug and open Execute Anonymous window. Now let me pause the video first and add my API key here. Okay, great. So let's execute our program. This should be Compress PDF Document. Execute. Oh, sorry. We need to save our programs first. So save. So now let's execute our code. So this should be Compress PDF Document. Execute. Great, so click on Debug Only. And you'll see success in here. Now let's go to Files and refresh. And here's our compressed file. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team.